Welcome to Vitality Lab HQ. Your journey to peak performance starts here.
Welcome back to Vitality Lab HQ. Okay, let's have a real moment. It's 6:30 AM. My alarm just went off. I haven't even opened my eyes, yet my heart is pounding, my chest feels tight. A million worries about the day are already racing through my head. Before I even stand up, I'm already stressed, tired, and honestly, a little scared of the day. Dr. Max, what is wrong with me? I don't want to wake up like this anymore.
Alex, what you're describing is incredibly common, and it's not your fault. You aren't broken. This isn't necessarily anxiety in the psychological sense, it's biology. You are experiencing a mismanaged cortisol awakening response, or CAR. Today we're going to break down exactly why this happens, the evolutionary reason behind it, and most importantly, the exact protocol to fix your mornings forever.
Biology? You mean it's just my body doing this to me? I thought I was just failing at being a functional human.
Far from it. Your body is actually trying to help you. We just need to teach it how to help you correctly in the modern world.
Okay, Dr. Max, define cortisol awakening response for me in English, not doctor speak.
Cortisol is often labeled the stress hormone, but it's actually essential for life. In the morning, around 30 minutes after you wake up, your body releases a massive spike of cortisol. It's supposed to be your biological accelerator pedal. It increases blood pressure, releases energy, and gives you focus to start the day. For our ancestors, this was the signal to get up and hunt. They needed that boost.
Okay, so a boost is good, but why does my boost feel like I just got hit by a truck of pure panic?
That is the modern trap. Our ancestors had one major stressor: survival. When they woke up, their cortisol helped them move. Today, when you wake up, your stressor is psychological. Emails, deadlines, bills, doom-scrolling news. So you have all this physical energy and alertness, but nowhere to release it physically. You're sitting in bed flooring the biological accelerator while the biological handbrake is still on.
So my body is ready to fight a tiger, but I'm just trying to figure out what to wear.
Precisely. And to make it worse, if you sleep poorly or use too much artificial blue light at night, your baseline cortisol level is already high. So when the morning spike comes, it pushes you right over the edge into anxiety and brain fog.
Alright, I'm done sitting in the panic trap. I need my life back. Give me the lab protocol. What are the rules?
This is the 24-hour morning reset protocol. It has 3 core steps. Rule number 1, Alex, is do not touch caffeine for at least 60 to 90 minutes after waking. Rule number 2, the sunlight command. Within 30 minutes of waking, get your eyes outside, not through a window, into direct sunlight for 10 to 20 minutes. Rule number 3, the physiological sigh. The moment you feel that tight anxiety in your chest, in bed, before you do anything else, use this breathing technique.
No coffee for 90 minutes. Dr. Max, you're trying to kill me. Why?
When you drink coffee early, it just blocks adenosine, the molecule of sleepiness, temporarily. Then later, adenosine floods back and you crash. Worse, coffee causes a double spike with your natural cortisol, CAR. It overloads the system, increasing your jittery feelings. Wait until your CAR naturally goes down, then enjoy your coffee.
Okay, and why sunlight? I have lights in my room.
Your body's master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, only responds correctly to solar light. Sunlight exposure triggers a countdown timer that helps you release melatonin at night for perfect sleep. And crucially, it resets your cortisol production so you don't overproduce CAR the next morning.
And this physiological sigh, what's that?
It's a specific breathing pattern, Alex. 2 inhales through the nose, followed by 1 long exhale through the mouth. It's the fastest way scientifically to dump carbon dioxide from your lungs, which instantly signals your parasympathetic nervous system, the calm system, to take over.
So I have to stop doom scrolling, wait for coffee, and sigh physically. This actually sounds achievable. I can do this.
It is achievable, Alex. Consistency and courage. Reclaiming your mornings is about reclaiming your life. Don't start your day reacting to stressors. Start it proactively, mastering your biology. Optimize your body, optimize your mind.
I'm starting this protocol tomorrow morning. No more fighting tigers in bed. I want to build a calm, focused fortress. To everyone watching, your morning sets the tone for your life. If you are taking the morning reset challenge with us, comment resist the spike right now. Let's support each other in the Vitality Lab family.
I'm proud of you, Alex. To everyone watching, your attention is the most valuable thing you own. Stay disciplined. Stay vital. We'll see you in the next lab session.
Subscribe to Vitality Lab HQ for more science-backed protocols to biohack your life. Let's do this.